Um, so I don't know if you saw it or not or what, but I just did Team by Lord, and right now I'm going to do Little Bird by Ed Sheeran because I love him and I love that song. And I'm a little bit sick, so my voice is gonna sound funny for maybe a couple of days, but hopefully not long. So I don't know all the lyrics to this Ed Sheeran song, so hopefully I get this right. Don't kill me if I get it wrong. Okay. If we take this burden with its broken leg, we could never save. She said, "Come down one, lie down with me. And if you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. And if you wake up and you make up on my shoulder, you tell me if I lie down, would you stay down? Let me hold you. 'Cause if I kiss you, when your mouth reads truth, darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste on lips too. And it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon. And I owe it all to you, my little bird, my little bird. You're my little bird, you're my little bird. This is short because I don't do the whole songs usually. Like Team, I didn't do the whole song. But it's a little excerpt. Deal with it. Hope you guys like it.